Woo! Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Daily Crypto Trade Signals coming to you live from Asia, guys. The Ric Flair of crypto coming to you live. Guys, smash the freaking likes, show some love out there for the OG. And remember, none of this is financial advice, and it's a great freaking time to be alive. So let's go down there and let's talk about what's going on. So we're going to be talking about Jeremy Powell. What did he say about the economy? What's that going to mean to you and me out there? We're going to be talking about Dogecoin. Looks like the Dogecoin X1 mission to the moon is closer and closer than we expected, and we're going to be talking about that and covering the news. But let's jump into it, guys. Let's absolutely jump into it. And this is breaking news, guys. This is what Jeremy Powell had to say about the economy. And I think that we could see some more downside for the economy, some more downside for the broader markets and crypto as well. So guys, go back and watch all my other videos. Do become a member. Remember, and all this is financial advice. So if we take a look at the broader markets yesterday, pretty much after Jeremy Powell opened his trap, we did see that most of the markets tanked. So overall, we're seeing that this week for the crypto markets has been a complete poo-poo schmata, rainy day kind of week, guys, and it's not been good. But however, cryptos are still holding strong, and that is pretty good, guys. Smash the likes. And when it comes to crypto, it's time to freaking party. Let's get it, guys. So Powell says inflation is still too high, and lower economy growth is likely needed to bring it down. So basically, what he's saying is that he's going to have to increase interest rates, and remember, they want to have a inflation rate of 2%. That's their mandate. And what they're going to do is they're going to increase interest rates, and they're going to make things more expensive. That's going to make you and me think twice about spending, and they basically want to slow the economy down. That's all. So things are going to get more expensive. Borrowing money is going to be more expensive. Buying a car is going to be more expensive, and basically they don't want the economy to grow. They want the economy to stay where it is, and that's the only way that's going to bring inflation down. But that's not good for you and me, the consumer, right? Because we don't have deep pockets. So the summary of what Fed Chair Powell said is basically additional evidence of strong economy may merit rate hikes. Okay, so it's going to happen. They want to return to 2%. That means more and more pressure on prices. Prices will go up because lending money from the bank is going to be more expensive. Credit is going to be more expensive. Cars are going to be more expensive. Buying houses are going to be more expensive. Things at the groceries are going to be more expensive. It's just going to be insane, guys. Committed to sufficiently restrictive policy. Summer inflation data was promising, September less encouraging. So this 2% hard target for inflation is going to be a hard target, and we, the consumers, are going to pay for that, guys. So Powell did say strong economy will still require rate increases. The U.S. economy's strength and continued tight labor markets could warrant further Federal Reserve interest rate increases. Fed Chair Powell said on Thursday in remarks that appeared to push back against market expectations that U.S. central bank's rate hikes had reached an end. So it's clear it hasn't. We're going to see more rate hikes out there. 99% of everybody out there is saying it's going to stay the same, but I have a sneaky feeling it's not going to stay the same. It could go up, guys. In response to that, we did see that the DXY did go up slightly yesterday on Jeremy's comments. And remember, the DXY is only going up because of the fact that the world economy, world currencies that this is compared to are in the toilet, guys. It's a rainy day for other economies out there. A rainy freaking day for other economies, guys. So all I got to say is it up? Is it down? Nobody knows, guys. Nobody knows. It is a complete uncertainty out there. So remember, the good news is, though, when we talk about Bitcoin, let me just refresh this chart up. We can see that Bitcoin is still forming a bullish flag, Bitcoin is at 28,634. We did tap a high yesterday of 28.8. 29,000 is being a little bit elusive, and that's around about here, guys. So 29,000 is a hard target right now. So we got some soft resistance there. My big resistance for Bitcoin right now, as far as I'm concerned, is about 29.3. But 29,000 is some softer resistance. I'm still pretty hopeful. We'll see, show you in a minute that Bitcoin is still going strong. We're seeing that. It looks like Ethereum, it just went sideways yesterday. It did break through my downward resistance level. So right here, this is good news, guys. So it did break out of that. So that is good. Let me just zoom in. You can see that we just broke out of it. So that's pretty good. If we can continue that for another 24 hours and get some good volume, then that will signal a nice rise to the upside for Ethereum. So that's looking pretty good from my perspective. Bitcoin dominance still at 51.2%. We're still seeing that overall Bitcoin is doing very well. It's up 0.69%, and that's at 28.6. Ethereum is still up for the week, but down right now. The big news is the SEC basically dropped their appeal against XRP, and because XRP went up like 11% today, it's up right. It's come down a little bit. It's at 5.52%, and it's up 6%. So that's not too shabby, guys. The only thing that's leading that is Solana in the top 10. Solana is looking pretty good as well, 24.78. Don't sleep on Solana. Do not sleep on XRP. Doge, however, is still kind of in a slumber. We're still up for the week, but however, the 6-cent level resistance is it's elusive, guys. It's elusive. If you take a look at the big board and just kind of give you an overall perspective, yeah, pretty much everything is green. Ethereum is slightly down according to this. Doge is coming around. I think when the Asian markets open, and good morning. And guys, if you're in the Asian markets, particularly here in Vietnam, it's Vietnam Women's Day out here. So happy Women's Day to all the women out there. So husbands, hopefully you take care of your wives or whatever. So happy Women's Day out there. Big shout out to all the women. I appreciate it. Fear and greed. Let me give this a minute refresh. And guys, don't forget we're going to be talking about Dogecoin, Doge 1 to the moon. Some interesting news, some more telling news, and more confirmation that it's going to happen sooner than we think, guys. Smash the likes. Looks like sentiment is going up, so that's going to aid price right now. You know, this is from Buller. You can see that the money flow oscillator right here, you can see that the money flow oscillator right now is looking pretty good, and it looks like we moved from bearish to bullish right now. So that is pretty good, guys. And in 2015, you can see that this did predict a bull run. 2019 we had a mini bull run. 2020 post Swan mega rally predicted. In 2023 we're back in the bull zone, guys. So don't sleep on Bitcoin. A good time to accumulate enough financial advice. So it looks like right now we've got 4 more days until we find out if the Bitcoin weekly RSI confirms a breakout of the 6 months downtrend, guys. So yeah, we've been kind of like in a 6-month downtrend on RSI, and this will confirm if we break out or not. So we got about 4 more days. I'm feeling pretty positive. If Bitcoin can continue, we'll be looking good. Guys, it's not too late, but it will be soon. Guys, remember, we could be seeing a huge breakout. Look what happened back here. Same kind of pattern. Guys, don't sleep on Bitcoin. Bitcoin is the only hedge against inflation. We're seeing that more capital has flown in to crypto markets in October. So that is pretty good. After extended net capital outflows between mid-July and early October, we have now observed 8.9 billion in net capital inflows into markets, leading cryptos over the past week, guys. So we're starting to see more money moving back into the markets, and that's going to increase the market cap of the cryptos, and that's pretty good, guys. So we're seeing right now, guys, before rallies and accumulation phases is inevitable, and I believe that we have just witnessed a huge accumulation phase, pretty similar to 2020, 2016, and it's time to boom chakalaka. We're going to take off, guys, and bull season is loading, guys. It's loading. It's absolutely loading. I'm feeling good. You should be feeling good. Guys, why would you want to sell at the cycle bottom? What are you doing? Don't do that. You know, we're at the cycle bottom right now, and we're moving on up. The bull run is here, and we've seen it time and time again here and here, and it's looking pretty good, guys. Looking pretty good. I believe it's looking good. What else is happening? This is from Seth. He's coming. History repeats. Bitcoin daily RSI just hit the buy zone, guys. We just hit the freaking buy zone right here. Brace yourself. When most are skeptical, BCC has a secret plan to skyrocket. It thrives on sidelining retail traders. When nobody cares, that's when Bitcoin likes to play, guys. So I know that the crypto's been boring. It's just been going sideways. And a lot of paper hands are kind of like, I don't care anymore. I'm out. This is when Bitcoin often likes to play and, starts to boom, guys. A lot of you are going to regret it, guys. The bullish trend is starting. And a lot of people are saying the same thing. Bears, I regret to inform you of what you already know, but refuse to see the bear market is over, guys. Don't be those sideliners waiting for unrealistic prices to come in, guys. So remember, Bitcoin prices such as 9, 10, and 12, or even retest of 15.4 base seem very unlikely at this stage. When the FOMO will soon kick in, you'll realize the waiting was not worth it, guys. So basically, the Titan of crypto is saying, guys, don't wait. DCA, get in while you can, guys. We're seeing that the monthly returns right now for October are good, 6.45%. So it looks like the October prediction has been pretty good. So far, year to date, we're doing pretty good gangbusters when it comes to crypto, guys. So, guys, it's looking pretty good. Dogecoin Fear and Greed is 46 right now. Good morning. God bless to the community out there. Guys, breaking Dogecoin, Doge 1 mission to the moon, or moon mission is set for November 15th to 20th, guys. So I think this is a realistic date. We haven't seen much from, we haven't heard much from Elon Musk, but I think something is brewing. I think we're going to get an announcement soon. Remember, it is October 20th here in Asia. So that gives us almost 1 month to this November 20th deadline before we see something huge happening, guys. It's a great time. It's absolutely a great time to be alive, guys and gals. So let's take a look at what's going on with Dogecoin right now. So Dogecoin, once again, it's just going sideways at 589. 6 cents is elusive. If we extend this downward trend line here, based on this, we have just kind of like broken out of this trend line a little bit. And that is good news, guys. That's absolutely good news, bears out there, guys. So I'm loving it. You're loving it, guys. Look at that. Look at that. It's absolutely great, guys. And we are seeing right now that Dogecoin is up slightly, guys. It is up slightly. That is looking pretty good. It's a great time to be alive, guys. So yeah, Dogecoin's looking pretty good. We're seeing some positivity, some weenie for the Doge. We're seeing that the total volume is up, and we're seeing the market cap is slightly up as well, 8.31 billion. So not too shabby wabby at all. Let's take a look at what's going on with the Shiba Inu out there. SHIB right now, I'm going to turn off the predator indicator out there. Get out of there, predator indicator. We don't need you. We don't need you anymore. Get out of there. There we go. So we're seeing that SHIB is at 684. Once again, the 700 level is it's kind of doing pretty much the same thing that Dogecoin is doing out there. So let's take a look at what's going on with the Dogecoin holders in terms of who's in the money, who's out of the money. Don't forget to smash Dogecoin 1-1. Almost 40% are in the money. That's not too bad if you compare that with where we are with Shiba Inu, which is only 7%. So all I gotta say, that's a rainy day. That's a rainy day for the SHIB army out there, guys. I wish I had more good news for everybody. Don't, guys and gals. So that's gonna bring this video to a close. All I gotta say, much love. That's all I got. Be blessed. Peace out.